This video introduces the filling production line equipment after the tablet and capsule production is completed. The first is the automatic bottle unscrambler. At the initial position of the filling line, it automatically organizes and adjusts the bottles that enter in an unordered manner by rotating the bottles to ensure that the bottles are oriented correctly, neck facing up, so as to effectively and evenly supply the production line. The bottles are transported to the electronic counting and filling machine through the conveyor belt. The medicines in the silo are evenly and orderly transported to the entrance of the detection channel through the vibration feeding system, counted through infrared photoelectric detection, and filled into the bottles according to the set filling quantity. The conveyor belt transports the filled bottles to the desiccant loading position, waiting for the desiccant to be loaded, and the bottle mouth is aligned with the shearing mechanism. The motor drive system pulls out the desiccant bag, the color code sensor detects the desiccant bag and controls the bag length, and the scissors cut the desiccant bag and put it into the bottle. The bottle is clamped by the bottle clamping devices on both sides and the bottle cap is automatically put on when it moves forward. The capping device presses the bottle cap to a pre-tightened state before screwing it on. Under the action of the high-speed rotating wear-resistant rubber wheel, the bottle cap is tightly screwed on the bottle. The capped bottles are transported to the labeling machine. The photoelectric sensor senses the passing bottles and sends a signal. The transmission system starts to feed the labels. The tensioning system realizes the tensioning of the label paper tape. Under the action of the labeling component and the label pressing component, the label paper is automatically peeled off and flatly affixed to the required position on the bottle, completing the entire labeling process.